Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, another gift from me to you. Something that you guys love, which is a cheese, a vegan cheese. And this one is going to be different because it has cranberries and pistachios and it is delicious. Let me show you how I put it together. So for this one, we're going to need sunflower seeds, to which we're going to soak for a few hours or overnight. Then we're going to drain it, add it to a blender, some salt, white pepper, nutritional yeast, a little bit of onion powder, a few drops of lemon, water or unsweetened plant-based milk, vegan butter, and blend. We're also going to need some pistachios, to which we're going to crush, and dried cranberries, that we're going to do the same. Now that everything's blended, we're going to add the pistachios and the cranberries, and if you want to make your life a little bit more difficult like I did, you can do like I did, but I forgot to add it in a bowl. So it doesn't really matter, okay? You add everything together, leave a little bit of the pistachios and the cranberries because it's going to be necessary for later to cover the cheese, okay? And my kitty cat is coming. He's probably gonna jump on here, please. Some of you are going to freak out. I beg you, don't. Don't freak out, don't give yourself a nosebleed. It's just a cat, okay? I don't use this for my cooking, it's just, it's a prop, okay? Now we're going to turn it to a log, like so. And put it in the fridge for at least 5 hours. Beautiful, isn't it? It is so delicious. Now, let me go through some of the ingredients, okay? So, didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you? Nico, he wants to be in the video. I don't know what's been happening with them lately. So, I usually use white pepper because white pepper when I make cheeses, because it has this almost dairy smell. Bless you, babe. Almost dairy smell and aroma, and I add it instead of black pepper, so it's amazing, okay? So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to get the printable recipe on my website over here. Not on you, no, it's not. And share this video and make it and tag me on Instagram and Facebook. I love when you guys do that. And subscribe to my channel. All right, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye, everyone. Nico says bye.